Tehseen Poonawalla says nothing about Arvind Kejriwal, the man sitting in Sheesh Mahal, in whose drawing room a woman MP is beaten up allegedly as per the complaint that she has given. She was beaten up in the Chief Minister's house. Remember? 45 crore house, Sheesh Mahal. Yaad hai sabko? Everyone remembers, yeah? Who doesn't remember Sheesh Mahal? And do you remember that those curtains, 1 crore curtains over there, what are they hiding? They are hiding how a member of parliament is beaten up. Not one word said about accountability of the chief minister when violence happens in his own drawing room. I raise a second question. Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, that is where a reporter is. A reporter is standing outside, has not barged into anybody's room, standing outside the building and asking, I want to ask a question to an Aam Aadmi Party MLA who's inside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. Does she have the right to ask a question? Yes or no? Does she have the right to ask a question? And in that case, she is beaten up by the news coordinator and my VJ, Radhakrishnan, is beaten up. Camera is damaged. Is this how democracy will run? And is this how the constitution will be saved, Vivek Silas ji? And when Congress to kuch bol nahi rahi hai, when Akhilesh Yadav was sharing stage with the Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and the question was asked from the reporters, what did he do? Arvind Kejriwal shifted the mic towards Akhilesh ji and Akhilesh ji says, अरे भैया और भी बहुत मुद्दे हैं तो औरतों को मारना मुद्दा नहीं है इस देश में.
First of all, very good evening to you, Navika ji, and all my panelists. I would just like to say that if at all something has happened.
If at all, it was on camera. Yeah. If at all?
It was on camera, Navika ji. Please don't be biased. When the question was asked to Brijbhushan Saran Singh by your reporter, she was Tashri. What happened to her?
She is working, asking questions,
no.
and we condemned and did a whole show on Brijbhushan Singh. Please answer Akanksha. Please answer. Akanksha was beaten up today, a few hours ago, by the Aam Aadmi Party's official media coordinator. First comment on that, and then I'll open it up on Brijbhushan Singh.
I think it's unfortunate, but I agree with Tehseen, whatever he said. Whatever Tehseen said, ma'am, let me say. Whatever Tehseen said, the Delhi police belongs to the Home Minister. Directly, the Delhi police reports to the Home Minister. So the Home Minister should take immediate action. Why isn't he taking? What is the problem with him? I don't think there should be any problem. Reporters are being beaten everywhere. I talk about Amit Shah's rally in Uttar Pradesh. What happened? Reported Mr. Tripathi tried to report that people are being given 100 rupees to come on the show or come in the rally. He tried to expose it. What happened? He was thrashed and he was taken out from the rally.
I think we
have seen all the videos.
Our leaders
GVL Saab, we have seen all the videos. You cannot deny from that fact. What happened in Kanpur to your reporter, ma'am?
दोनों लड़के को आपके यूपी के दोनों लड़के जो है नेता बनकर घूम रहे हैं, they need to pay money to get.
नहीं घूम रहे हैं.
नहीं, they need money to get.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सत्ता से बाहर करने जा रहे हैं.
You will be routed once
again.
You will be routed once again. When was the last time that you really put up even a semblance of a good performance? Samajwadi Party is on its way out.
No,
and you are the one who need to hire people. We don't need.
5%. 37.5% and our coalition 125 MLCs in Uttar Pradesh. What are you talking about?
Give me how many will you win this time? You've tied up with Congress again.
I can bet Mr. GVL Narasimha Rao we are going to win much more what the Bharatiya Janata Party is going to do in Uttar Pradesh.
It's dream hai.
It's not a dream. It is a reality. Because the people of Uttar Pradesh and the people of India are fighting.
Start looking with it.
Against
and what
the core issues that are not being discussed.
Any sympathy
the
from
core
this
issues
gentleman
are not being discussed.
Because it was Netaji
not at all.
who said
people need
that
employment. People need education. People need health. People need security, which the Bharatiya Janata Party is unable to deliver in Uttar Pradesh and pan India. That is the problem. Be it Uttar Pradesh, be it Maharashtra, be it anywhere in the country. The Bharatiya Janata Party is lagging behind.
Let me bring in Dr. Anand Ranganathan. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, reporter pite, Unfortunate. Member of Parliament PT, unfortunate. That is all that they want to say, because they are the protectors of the Constitution, and these parties will actually perpetuate democracy in this country. But all they will discuss at length is how many seats they are going to get, women, women's safety, reporters' independence and freedom of speech और तानाशाही, वो इनको अपने आप में नहीं दिखती है, सब दूसरों में दिखती है. Are you satisfied with the responses that you've got today on a reporter being beaten up just for asking a question, just like Bhavna Kishore was arrested just because the channel exposed Sheesh Mahal?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to your viewers and my fellow panelists. At the outset, I express my grave concern, and I absolutely condemn in strongest possible words the attack on Times Now journalists, cameraman and reporter. But you have to understand that this is entirely in keeping with the demeanor and the characters of people who belong to the Aam Aadmi Party. They are ruffians and goons, as Atishi Marlina actually said on record कि बीजेपी को हराना है तो आंख बंद करके गुंडों को चुनो. तो गुंडे ही चुने हैं और गुंडे गुंडागर्दी ही करेंगे. But I have to say this, I'm not being patronizing, Navika. I worry for you, even though you're a Punjabi and you can take care of yourself. But the fearless reporting that you've done, expose Sheesh Mahal, and the kind of relentless reporting you've done to not just expose Aam Aadmi Party, but to go in depth and tell this is the reality of these people who think they are the common people, they belong to it. So if you go to Punjab, please be very careful. This is all I would say, because their guns are out for you.
You can't keep a Punjabi away from Punjab. So arrest me if you want, Mr. Kejriwal.
But I would also like to say this, Navika, that you're also wrong, because democracy is not in danger. You see, democracy is never in danger when a brilliant professor of chemistry from Jadavpur University is arrested and acquitted after 11 years with his crime being forwarding an email that showed a cartoon of Mamata Banerjee. Democracy is never in danger when Tamil Nadu state sends its police all the way from Chennai to Greater Noida to pick up a YouTuber who, in their words, had conducted a controversial interview. As we speak, the YouTuber has been taken back to Chennai by train. Democracy is never in danger when Karnataka police arrests Mumbai ka Don, a so-called social media influencer, just because he condemned the Congress manifesto. And democracy is never in danger when, for example, in Punjab, you beat up and arrest a Times Now reporter just because she exposed the Sheesh Mahal. So, Navika, you're wrong. Democracy is absolutely safe in the hands of the opposition. It suddenly comes in danger whenever BJP is involved. And last, I'd like to say, all these people who are on the other side of the spectrum, they say, we speak truth to power, we speak truth to power. Yes, for them, power, only Modi is in power. Didi is not in power. Kejriwal is not in power. Stalin is not in power. Pinarayi Vijayan is not in power. They quake in their boots. This is the difference between someone who's supposed to be taking care of media, be fearless, and lapdogs. I'm sorry to use that word.
Well, let me ask Abhishek Sudhir. Abhishek Sudhir,